My name is Dr. Harihar Murthy. I've got about 3 decades of experience as an ENT surgeon, and I'm practicing now with the Apollo Spectra Hospitals, Koramangala. Snoring at best can be called a problem of social importance because it disturbs the bed partner or the people in the house because of the noise. But what it hides is a more sinister issue which can be serious for the person concerned. Snoring is only the window dressing. What it hides is actually the possibility of a sleep apnea, which can be very serious in its way it affects the person. Sleep apnea, by virtue of repetitive stoppage of breathing, can cause reduction in the oxygen levels that are going into the patient. So obviously the oxygen levels dropping has got a serious portent for the brain and the individual generally. People who have severe sleep apnea will be poor, productive people in daily life. It affects their hypertensions if they have, or they become susceptible to hypertension, or even type 2 diabetes in such people. Apart from that, it also affects their sexual health. So snoring is not just an issue of ordinary importance. It has to be dealt with seriously by identifying the primary causes and the attendant problems that may be associated, like sleep apnea.